You're searching how to buy shares of Bergen Carbon Solutions AS. The company works in the carbon solutions industry and is listed on Euronext under the ticker BCS.OL. This is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy BCS.OL, you will need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BCS.OL to find Bergen Carbon Solutions AS. Select the listing that matches the company name and Euronext market to ensure it is the correct share. On the asset page, you will see basic company details and a live price chart for BCS.OL. Double-check the company name, market, and ticker to confirm this is the Bergen Carbon Solutions AS listing. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review order parameters, and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at market open. And if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before final confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio, and if you want to follow this step-by-step process, find the eToro link in the description.